becoming a content creator, I've watched lots and lots of videos. I scroll all the time and I look at all different types of videos of people talking about digital marketing, content creation, blogging, podcasts, various different bits and pieces. And I won't lie, it interests me very much. I often wonder, you know, through making videos, which I like doing anyway, can I make some money from this? Because I think that'd be pretty cool. If I could make money from creating content, which I do anyway, I do it because I like to do it. There's no other reason. But I've seen people posting videos on TikTok saying, look at this, people are becoming multi-millionaires from TikTok and content creating. What do you think? Do you think that's actually possible? Or do you think it's a marketing ploy for their videos or their content? Is that what pushes their content further to push them further down the line? What's your views on it? I personally think that you probably can make quite a lot of money through content creating on TikTok. I'm eager to find out. I've just recently started TikTok Shop. I've made a few sales on some low-end budget products. I'm intrigued to see where it goes. Watch this space. We shall see.